Here we're using the 2.5mm crimp as a tie-off on the wire. It's as strong as the wire is, so there's no knot that's anywhere near as strong as it. You need to thread it on before you put the chain strainer on, so the chain isn't in the way. You thread the other wire through there. Do that with your left hand so it's nice and tight. Get the EzePull tool. Always start at one end of the crimp and work your way along. So get it in the position there, put it on, and just rest it on your leg, pull that wire tight, and then crimp down once you've got it started. Just keep working your way along the crimp sleeve. When you've done the last one, leave the tool hanging there, take the chain strainer off. And then tie off slight lazy loop and then into tight loops. Same on this side. Not adding any strength to it, it's just giving it a good finish with no protruding ends. So you've got a nice smooth finish there.